Hey guys, Jessi here. I wanted to share with you an exercise that I did that basically reviewed and audited all of my personal expenses. I mean, I do the same thing on the business side, but my personal expenses for 2019, it was hugely successful. What I do is I use a program called mint.com. It's free. It's made by Intuit, who also does QuickBooks online, and I use them for my business expenses. So what I did is I took a look at every expense I had, categorized it, which then allows me to, when I have future expenses that are similar, it'll pre-categorize them so I don't have to do it again. So I looked at all of my income on the personal side and looked at all of my expenses on the personal side. Then I broke it down to an average per month, and I took a look at where the hell is my money going. And it was fantastic because I realized a whole bunch of things. For one, I was set up with a bunch of iTunes subscription memberships, boom, 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 got rid of those, got rid of things that I didn't realize how much freaking money they were at the end of 12 months when you pile them all up. You look at your personal spending. How much money am I spending on groceries? How much money am I spending on travels, entertainment, vacation? Sorry, I think I said that one already. Eating out, bars, clubs, whatever. And it was an immensely successful project, and I highly recommend you do it. Once you're set up, now what I do is every Friday, I can't stand accounting, so every Friday I'll go in for a few minutes, take a look at my expenses in the past 7 days, categorize them if they're not pre-categorized, and then I can do a report once a month to see where the hell my money went. It is incredible. And one of the things you do is you notice you're freeing up cash flow by doing this. You free up an extra $100, $200 a month, $1,000 a month, if not more. Now you can take that to put towards any potential debt that you might have, obviously targeting the higher interest loans first, and then if not, you put it towards investment. So mint.com, it's free. You're crazy if you don't use it. I'm Jessi. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the snow.